Let's make, Spanish sardines. Bangus style. Ano ba yun? We have milkfish. And then, let's put some water. And then, salt. A lot of salt. Para matanggal yung lansa. Tansya-tansya lang. Then, isusok natin siya ng 30 minutes. Then, after 30 minutes, let's start cooking. Here. Sit aside. So, while waiting, na nakababad yung ating bangus, tignan muna natin yung ating carrots. Slice natin. Lagyan natin ng style. Nahirapan ko guys. Cut na lang natin ng ganito. Then, tsaka natin lagyan ng style. See? Much easier. Then, arrange na natin yung ating carrots. Okay? Una is laurel. Dahon ng laurel. Bay leaves. And then our carrots. And then garlic. What the garlic? Garlic cloves. And then our peppercorns. So after 30 minutes, ito na yung binabad natin. Last fish. Lagyan na natin dito. Sana magkasya. Magkasya sana siya. Parang madami ito eh. And then, ito natin ang carrots. Then garlic. And another peppercorns. Because I don't have olive oil guys. Wala akong bilang olive oil dito. I'll use canola oil instead of olive oil. I don't know how to open this one. Wala mabilang olive oil dito sa mall talaga. Bakit ang tagtag? Nagat ko na. Ano ba ito i-open? Jesus. Ano ito lang pala? Sorry. Tagabukit tayo eh. Siguro iubos natin to. Ilang ml ba to? 500 ml. Ang dami naman. Huwag na natin ubusin. Yan. So, mas maganda olive oil. Wala lang akong olive oil. Lagyan natin ng hindi ma-open guys. Lagyan natin ng olives. I don't know how to. olives. Nadala pang sabaw. Ayan. Then, add tayo ng water. A lot of water para maluto siya. That's enough. Di ba ka umapaw? And then, salt. Another salt. Tumihan natin ang salt. 3 na ganito. And then, pampasarap. Seasoning mix. Hindi ko. Seasoning mix granion. Half of it lang. And then, let's cook it for 3 hours. Okay, luluto natin ang 3 hours guys. 3 hours, mahina po lang. Wala kasi akong maize. For 3 hours yan. After 3 hours, ito na yung ating Spanish style bangus sardines. Hindi siya nag-brown kasi nga hindi natin pinlito.